Hi everyone, how are you today? I am so excited to be here with you to share with you a flip through of April in my 2023 Project Life Hybrid Story album. I'm so excited that I was finally able to do this cover page with the open story kit. Ever since I saw Laura do this for her story stamp class, I really wanted to try it, and I really love how it came out with these 4 chipboard starbursts, these see-through elements, as well as the back page, these pop-up stamps. Oh, it's just so much fun, and I really love this kit. So April started off with day in the life on the 1st, and it has been such a busy month, guys. Like April and May, I feel like May is definitely May-sember. I think April was April-sember as well. It was just so crazy, and I really had a hard time keeping up with my pages, so I'm really happy that I'm finally able to share this flip through with you. And you know, we're entering into winter here. It has felt very wintry for like most of May and bits of April maybe. So I guess because we went down to Melbourne as well, which is very much colder than it is here in Brisbane. So it's been a time. It's been quite a time. So I'm happy to be back in my craft room, and you know, I'm gonna create some things. But I'm glad that I can show you this. This is stuck. These are stuck together, guys. Okay. Try not using photo paper for something like this. And yeah, I have to glue these back when I'm done. So this is my orange, my black, my white. So all my colors have been here. This seems like it's stuck as well. Another photo paper stuck to rubber. So we need to do some engineering here. I will probably have to print this on just regular cardstock so that it won't stick to this rubber piece. But this is the first time I'm like really going back through this album. I really love looking at color throughout the day. I put some of my favorite photos that I didn't use here into this section. Then I did a summary of observations for the day, and then this was some pictures that I added in, but I did not decorate these pages, so that's probably why I didn't do the flip through before. And then I started with my travel pages here. So we went to Melbourne for Easter, and I really enjoyed doing these travel pages. I have a flip through with just the travel pages and all of the elements, the interactive elements. So you can go check out that video if you want to see more of the interactive elements throughout the album, and just a close-up bit of the elements. But this is, yeah, some of the elements here, and I am going to have to find, I really love how these came out with the little word fatty items. I love this label page, one of my favorite pictures from the trip, if not my favorite, and I love just adding in some elements to pop some embossing powder, some puffy stickers, some alphas and whatnot. I loved using past travel kits as well to document this trip, and I enjoyed using pocket pages. You know, sometimes before I would most definitely do things outside of the page protector, but for this I did pockets, and it was quite nice. For this I used the Studio Calico kit for April. I was a guest designer for the month of April, and I really enjoyed using these items. This is an openable here, which I thought was quite cute, and I enjoyed creating some new elements or using some new elements. I am realizing that as the temperatures change that I would have to use another adhesive for some of those bigger pieces in my album, but until then for now, what is done is done. So this is Easter Easter. We have a lot of photos always. It's a big family trip for us, seeing family and friends. And I put a summary of all our things here, and then this is the last pages here. And then I continued on. I have 2 albums for this month because Daily Life took up some space, but the chipboard was a bit chunky. Then Melbourne took up quite a lot of space too. That was chunky. So this, you would see, this was just like this thick already, so I really couldn't fit 2 more weeks in here, so that's why we have 2 albums. And I love that I used these 2 albums. So this is the rest of the month of April, and I like just using these kind of 3D elements, and I used a mix of kits, some of the Ali Edwards past kits like Awesome, and I also used some of the new American craft kits, like Flower Child and some Laura by Laura and whatnot. I'm loving using a lot of different alphas, and I like this 3D element from Flower Child. I'm using some Simple Stories flip opens, and I put these pages together, mostly photos of my son, and something I've been working on since then is getting myself more into the shots. I see how that happens. When I first started scrapbooking, we didn't have children just yet, so, and I always felt like, there was mention of getting yourself in the photo. This was a nice day, by the way. We went to the koala sanctuary. My son is really into animals right now. And then this week ended off with Week in the Life. So this is the last few pages in my album, but yes, I am working to get myself more into the pictures and getting more balance in my photos. I do have a video with a flip through of just my Week in the Life pages, so you can check that out. I will link that in the comment section below. I will also link all the products that I used for this month's album, so if you'd like to check any of those out, they are affiliate links. They are no extra cost to you, but I do get a small kickback to help me create more crafty videos. So thank you very much for being here today. I hope you enjoy the flip through of my April album. I ended it off with this quote: look around at how lucky we are to be alive right now. Thanks to Stephanie Make Stuff, who sent through this quote for me. I saw her use it in one of her albums, and she sent me the link to it, and I thought it was really lovely of her to do that. And shout out to my friend Robin, who has been really supportive of me on this journey and who reminded me that I need to put my April flip through up on my channel. So thanks so much for joining me today. This is a summary of highlights for the month of April with like lots of new things that we did this month, and I really enjoyed using this page for my story kit and Flower Child flowers to make this come together, as well as some mixed media and stencils. So thanks for joining me, and I hope that you'll be back for my next month's video, or this month's video, April, May, so at the end of this month or early next month, to catch the next flip through, and then look out for other crafty videos. Please like and subscribe below and comment with any questions that you have. Have a great day. Bye.